InVision digital dash from AutoMeter for the 6768 Ford Mustang is the perfect way to showcase your ride. You've seen the InVision dash before, but AutoMeter is now fitted for the original pony car. The InVision is an all-in-one dash that monitors the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and volts all in one place, which makes monitoring your car's internal workings very convenient. In the past, you had 3 different options to choose from for your digital gauge layout. Well, this time around, AutoMeter has added a 4th option. And with the 12.3-inch LCD display, it gives you a high-resolution color display to see your gauges even in the darkest of areas. The speedometer calibrates to OEM or aftermarket speed sensors to make sure you keep your money in your pocket and not in paying fines. And the adjustable tachometer can calibrate to many different engine types, so no matter your build, this dash will be a great fit. The InVision digital dash also has an integrated light for high beam headlights and turn signals, as well as instrument warnings and a user-selectable warning light. This dash kit is a custom fit for the 6768 Ford Mustang, so it looks like it came straight off the assembly line. But when you turn on the car and the dash lights up with the AutoMeter logo, you know you have a quality product.